my name is Tiya and today we have all the animals and water. Then I'm going to put it. You love that puppet show which I put it.
Okay. So, these what you are going to teach today, the wild animals?
Yes.
Okay. So, you have a lot of wild animals here.
I have kangaroo.
Okay.
And I have this.
Elephant.
Elephant.
You have two elephants. See, one here and one here.
Yes, these are the baby elephant, but they are too far away.
Okay. And you have two lion.
But they're same. They're lion and lion. They're baby.
Okay,
and these are also babies.
So we do one thing. Put one by one in this, right?
Yeah.
So first put lion in this tub. Okay. Right. 1 and 2 lion. 2. Now, what you will put? Elephant?
Yeah, this is elephant.
Okay.
Wait, elephant.
Put the elephant in the tub. Very good. Now, hippopotamus?
We have
Yeah.
here.
Okay. Put it in this. Okay, so we have 2 hippopotamus,
Yes.
right?
We don't have rhinoceros.
And what is this? The Nilgai?
Yes.
Put this in this tub. Okay. Now tiger. You have 2 tigers. See. 1.
These are not two
This
tigers.
is a leopard.
Yes, leopard.
Okay, leopard, and another is tiger. Then kangaroo. See, here's kangaroo.
Toing, toing. Now ready, steady, go! Wow, I love water. Eyes make me feel good.
Okay. Now tortoise.
Tortoise. Wow, all the animals are going to jump. 1, 2, 3. Whee!
Now koala.
Gorilla.
Here, right. Put it in this.
Wow, I love water.
Then you have monkey too.
Yep.
Okay. Monkey.
Whoa, this is much better. I love water.
Then bear you have.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh wow! The water makes me feel better. I was so sweaty. Yeah!
Okay. Now what is this? You have another Nilgai?
No, this is deer.
Deer. Okay. No, I think this is Nilgai.
No, see.
What is this? Oh,
Nilgai.
this is deer, right? Reindeer. No,
Yes.
this is deer, right?
Yes.
And this is Nilgai.
Nilgai. Yep.
Okay. And what else you have?
Yep.
You have fox also.
Yep.
See, this is a fox.
Whoa! I love water. I never seen this water before in a bucket. How many animals are going to jump? 1, 2, 3. Look.
And you have giraffe as well.
Yep.
Orange colored giraffe.
Whoa! This is much better water than giraffe. I don't see this water before.
So cute. Okay, so now what they are doing? They are doing bath in this tub.
Amazing.
This is another some wild animals. What is this called?
Mouse.
This is mouse. Okay, I think this is mola, right?
Mola, yes.
Yes.
Mola mouse.
Okay, 1 and another is 2. You have 2.
Whoa! I never seen. Whoa! I never seen this big water in the whole animals. They are going to jump.
Okay.
Hey, how come these animals are so big?
Okay, all done. So these are. What is this? This is a small dinosaur.
Yes.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh. Show me a dinosaur. Okay, very good.
Oh, hello there. My name is Little Dinosaur and my name is Little Rosie.
Okay, put it in the tub.
Hey, why not fitting?
All done.
Yay, love water.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching us.